Hello, this is Subash. Today I am going to unbox the GoPro Hero 13 Black. So in this video I am going to unbox this GoPro Hero 13 Black and going to let's see inside what are the things inside this box. In this box there is some optional HB series lens like this. These are the lens ND filter, then after ultra wide, then after micro lens, then after anamorphic lens. So these are the lens of GoPro. And talking about this type of feature, like it is a 5.3K resolution video we can shoot from there. We can also shoot a 4K 2.7K video we can shoot from there. And the main thing is that it's a 30x burst slow-mo at a 720p14. And also talking about is LG HLG HDR video, then after lens mode auto detection, and then after 27 megapixel photo we can take from this. Then after super photo plus HDI plus raw photo, and then after hyper view 177 ultra wide form. Then after also talking about time lapse with a time WAV 3.0. Then after also 10-bit color we can adjust from a 10-bit color. And so also talking about night effect, in night effect it's also good. And the things about also like GPS is a GPS detector. Then after also waterproof 3.30 feet. It's a hyper smooth video stabilization with a 6.0. So it's a very hyper smooth camera. And now we are going to see what are the inside this box. So we need to remove this box, be carefully. Then after uh, these are the menu paper to install and to how to install, and there from website we can also help of this paper we can get. And then after inside box it's also like a GoPro menu. So it's a menu of this product. And here is a data cable of this product. Then after this is the helmet mount. So these are the mount. And this is a indoor battery. This is a battery of the GoPro. It's a GoPro battery. And the main thing about this is the camera. So this is camera. Now I'm going to remove this all sticker up there. And so you can see the camera. So this is the camera of this product. And then after these are the thing inside this box. This is a data cable and this is battery. And then after it's a helmet mount we can use in helmet. While using in helmet, then you can we can use in helmet. And this is the camera. Talking about this design, it's super cool. You can see in my hand. So this is the main display, and this one is a back side display, which is also called rear display. So there's two display. And then after this is power button, and this one is for the battery SD card installation. So we need to open this. So inside we need to put the battery. And this one is for the SD card. We need to put here SD card. In this camera I have not a SD card, so I will not put a SD card now. So I am just close it. And after this everything we need to press on power button. You can see here it is started. It takes some. We need to choose the language, which language you wanna choose. So I just select English language. Then after buying using GoPro, I agree the terms use available at GoPro.illegal. Then after GPS enable awesome feature, okay, I will enable this. Then you have to turn a control camera using your voice. Okay. Then after voice control language is set to English. We can change the language if you want to change in English or Hindi or anything language. You can just press and change, and you can do. But for right now, I will just choose English. I just put English USA. Then after press and confirm. So there is not SD card. I haven't installed the SD card. And the battery check 20% live, 10% when connected to the power. When it is in 10%, then we should connect in power. Then after I will come back. So I need to install the SD card, and after installing SD card, then we can use this camera. But for right now, I haven't SD card, so I will not go to update this uh, program. So after SD card install, we will gonna use the camera. And in back display you can see after inserting SD card, then there will be when we going to be take a photo or take a video, then in both side we can see that photo or video recording. So this is the very good quality product, and the cost of this product is 60,000. I was about this buying this product from Daraz, and which is there is some upcharge, some discount at a voucher. At a voucher discount, I have bought this product. So you can buy this product from Daraz, or if you in India, then you can also buy from online. It is hard to get in a market because there is not available in market, and it's a very expensive product. So the uh, the seller are not keep that product, so it is a little bit hard to get in a shop. So you can just order from online. If you are from Nepal, then you can order from the Raj. And I will also gonna put this link of this product in my description box, from where you can get easily, and from there you can order. In next part, we are going to give review of this product. After using this product, it is really worthful product or not, or the things we are showing in online and the things we are showing in a paper, that is only in theoretically or practically it is work or not. So after using, I am going to give a 100% full organic original review of this product. So for being with my video, for that one, thank you to you all. So what I'm going to show you in this channel, I am uploading lots of the tech review channel, and especially like a apps review and some product review. So in this channel, we are going to give the review of the different type of software, apps and product. So you can subscribe our channel to get this type of information and latest technology, latest software related video you can get from this channel. Thank you for watching our video.